have 3 is less than 5x minus 27 is less than 53. We're going to break it into 2 separate inequalities because that just makes it easier. Over here, we want to keep the 5x in the center, so we're going to add 27 to both sides. We're going to have 30 is less than 5x. And then, of course, we have to divide both sides by 5. And we're going to have 6 is less than x. And then we're going to move on to this side. And we're going to want to keep the x in the center. So we're going to add 27 to each side. And we're going to end up with 5x is less than 80. We're going to divide both sides by 5. And we're going to get x is less than 16. So the x stayed in the center of both of them. So we have the x in the center, and then we have the answers for each side. So our final answer, I'll just write it to make life a little bit easier, is the 6 is less than x is less than 16.